It's winter time, folks, so here are some tips to prevent from cough and cold. Cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing. Achoo. Avoid touching your hands to your face, nose or eyes as they may be having some germs. Always wash your hands with soap and water. Avoid eating sugars and avoid eating junk food. Eat healthy food. Drink plenty of water. Do not get wet in the rain, and if you have got wet, change quickly. Avoid crowded places. Rest well and sleep sufficiently. Thank you.